Hey everyone, the OneXPlayer X1 Air has officially been unveiled as a versatile 3-in-1 Windows PC designed to cover gaming, productivity, and creative work in a compact and flexible form. One of its strongest appeals is its adaptability, since it can shift seamlessly between laptop, tablet, and handheld gaming console modes. At its core, the device is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 5228V or Ultra 7258V processors, paired with up to 32 gigs of RAM and as much as 2 terabytes of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage. The X1 Air's display is another standout feature. The 10.95-inch LTPS panel offers a 2560 by 1600 resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 540 nits. Combined with wide color coverage at 138% sRGB and full 10-point multi-touch support, the screen is not only sharp and smooth for gaming, but also accurate and responsive for design or media editing. Its 3 modes of operation expand its versatility further. In handheld mode, the detachable controllers snap into place, offering premium features like RGB Hall effect joysticks, micro switch buttons, and linear triggers, elements that elevate the gaming experience above many rivals. In tablet mode, it transforms into a lightweight, touchscreen-driven device suitable for browsing, drawing, or casual use. With a magnetic keyboard attached, complete with a built-in touchpad, backlighting, and carbon fiber construction, the X1 Air behaves much like a premium ultra-portable laptop. Powering these functions is a 72.77 watt-hours battery, which is kept in check by a sophisticated dual-fan cooling system. OneXPlayer has used liquid-bearing fans capable of spinning up to 8,500 RPM, along with dual copper heat pipes and a full aluminum heatsink to manage thermals effectively. This engineering ensures that performance remains stable under heavy workloads, whether in gaming or productivity tasks. In terms of interaction and convenience, the X1 Air comes well-equipped. Security and accessibility options include Windows Hello with both fingerprint recognition and face unlock. Creative users will appreciate support for a 4096 level pressure-sensitive stylus, making the device useful for digital drawing and note-taking. Connectivity is generous for a portable system. The X1 Air includes 2 USB-C 4.0 ports, a USB-A 3.2 port, a TF card slot, a 3.5mm audio jack, and even a mini SSD expansion slot supporting up to 1 terabyte of additional storage. Wireless capabilities are future-proof with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.2, while the inclusion of Harman-certified speakers ensures solid audio quality for both gaming and media playback. Pricing reflects its premium positioning. In China, the Ultra 5 version with 32 gigs RAM and 512 gigs storage is listed at $1,099. Overall, the OneXPlayer X1 Air represents one of the most ambitious and versatile portable PCs to date. Its blend of cutting-edge Intel hardware, a high refresh LTPS display, robust cooling, and 3-in-1 form factor puts it in direct competition with other high-end handhelds and compact PCs, but with added flexibility for productivity and creative applications. It is designed to appeal to gamers who want a powerful handheld, professionals who need a portable laptop replacement, and creators who value touchscreen and stylus support, all in one unified device. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.